The first step is make them screw out.
这个继续有声音。
想听吗？
对。
Okay.
当听。
Then the second step is make all of the screws on the back out.
OK。
The third step is to, our main thing is to put this one out. So we need to one is put this 4 screws out and put this line out. Okay, let's do it now. Then the fourth step is we take this thing out. Yeah. And this one is the hook to take it out the rubber. Okay, after taking it, then we put it back to install the new one. Okay, now to put it on here.
这两个绿色的标志跟这边这一个是一样的。两个是一模一样的。
位置是吧？
对。
So this one's position. Be careful with this one, the green one and this green one, and the position is the same as here. Also, it's up and the right position.
按装进去。
Then to put it to install. Okay. The next step will be the same as we did it to make it to fasten the screws. Okay, then put it the line back it. It will put it back to this one. Be back it and look right the position. Yeah. Then also same to put all of the screws on that, all of them. This step will be same to put that the black, that's one to install it. Also make it fasten. Okay, finished.